So we got a new baby to the collection. I'm gonna call it collection because this is beyond just love. This is collection now. I have the curly one, which I picked up a couple of weeks ago, and I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, and I really love the color, even though I still haven't gotten the guts to put that color on, but I love it. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone with all the black, but I love that color, and I still haven't gotten the balls, the guts, the audacity to put that color on. I'm trying to find the audacity somewhere, but I still cannot find it. I'm finding it, but I will reach there. So I love the curly one. The curly one was beautiful. I love it so much. I decided to pick the straight one. Yes, this is beautiful. This is Master P. I will find the courage, the balls, the audacity, put this on one day. Till then, we're just going to put it into the collection. Just looking at it, just knowing that I have it. Whenever I want to put it on, it's there. That's for me, it's okay. That's peace. Peace, I like peace. Just knowing that I have this thing here, whenever I want to use it, it's there. That's just the life I want. Just being comfortable and being happy and being peaceful. No need to stress. Like me and stress, we are not mates. We're not housemates. I don't like stress. Stress don't like me. But anyway, I love it. It's so beautiful. This is 26 inches. This is 180 density. It's 13 by 4 full lace. I'm super excited. I'm loving it. I can't wait. I feel like I need to put this on right now.